Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the last day of our thing in EA. So tomorrow morning we would leave to Athens. So today we just want to go and explore Fira, get some goodies for our friends back home. So that's what we're gonna do today. And after that, probably have a good last meal in EA, and we'll keep you posted. So right now we have come to Fira, guys, and we have first stopped at the church. So it is a three-bell church, and it is really beautiful. The nature, I mean, it's just like so pretty. Even though it's a volcanic area, it is beautiful as hell. So I'm gonna show you the view right now. So after finishing a couple of photos up here, we're gonna go to Fira, and also probably take some goodies from Fira. So this is the view right now. So over there, that's Fira, and that's Ia. So it is really beautiful, especially the church bell. So this is the three bell church. So we really can't walk down there, so this is the place where we take the photos, and it's really beautiful, guys. So let's go to the next place. So we just arrived at Fira, guys. So there is a local market here. It's called Santorini Central Market. So we parked the car here, and now we are kind of heading to the market. So it's really beautiful. We just had a glimpse of it while we were parking the car. So we're gonna shop some goodies and check out the local markets of Fira.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away.
So this is the Fira town map. Where are we? Okay, we're right here. So that's the main square. So if you go this way, you have the museum, and there's a chonky station here, cable car. Okay, so we are right here. That's the main station, main square.
I will cherish your memory. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. pretend. However we end.
So after a really very long time, we had fresh juice. It's melon and watermelon combination, and oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so fresh. It's stolen fruit. It's really tasty, like very very tasty. So donkeys are really famous here, so here's a statue to honor him. And I don't know why there's Christmas decor right here.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days. And nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. Know that I will cherish your memory. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray.
Hey guys, so it was an amazing day in Fira. We really liked Fira compared to Ia because it's pretty large and it has so many stuffs, which I'll probably like update you guys in the next vlog. There's so many street foods, there's so many places to shop. It's really lively compared to Ia. So I'll talk about it in detail eventually. So we have just come out to spend the last day in Ia. I mean, like in Santorini, because tomorrow morning we'll be leaving. So for one last time, we're gonna have like a sunset dinner in Fira, and then leave tomorrow morning to Athens. So really excited, but let's see how it goes. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little. Open, shut them, open, shut them, put them in your. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them, right up to your.
Chin, chin, chin.
Open your little mouth and never let it. Hey guys, so we ended the day today. We finished Fira. I will update about all the places and what to do and restaurants that we visited, and it was really beautiful. So we have a new friend here. He just like walks in every time we are here. So we're leaving tomorrow, so I'll miss this guy. So as for today, we are done and time to sleep. So tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m. we are leaving to Athens, and we have a bit of planning to do because there's a lot of it's only 24 hours and we have to really figure out what to do. So day after tomorrow early morning we have a flight, so we just basically have 24 hours. So we will reach Athens by 9:30, and that's the itinerary for right now. So time to sleep and a little friend. So bye guys, and please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next vlog. This is our new friend.